Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with the 1968 Honda CB450 K1. It's such a beautiful motorcycle. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about kind of the history of the CB450 K1. Only available 1 year, kind of the differences between it and the predecessor, the Black Bomber. The really cool thing was this was the first 5-speed 450 that Honda made. Up until then, the CB450 Black Bomber was a 4-speed. This was a 5-speed. And this is also the last year of the chrome side covers. Such a beautiful motorcycle. I mean, they did such a great job with it. To be 100% clear, mine does not have the correct bars, nor does it have the correct pipes. It was only made 1 year, 68 to 69, late 68 and then into 69. I look at the CB450 K1 as a happy accident. And what I mean by that is that it only came about because the Black Bomber, people didn't like it because of the tank, the design. They didn't like the stylings. So in 1967, Honda released what was called the D-Kit. And basically it was a kit that you could take your Black Bomber and convert it into something that looked, in my opinion, more like this. A couple of different CB450 D-Kit that was available. Different handlebars, you got a different tank, you got a different seat, you got chrome fenders instead of painted, you got different side covers. The other big change they made was they gave you these high pipes on each side, which was incredible. In the styling, if you look at the styling of that, it didn't have chrome side covers, but it was a painted tank that looks almost exactly like the CB450 K1 tank that's on it now. In 1968, Honda came out with the CL450 and the CB450 K1. And that's the difference. And it was really, that's why I refer to it as a happy accident, because it came out of the overstock of the Black Bomber. And what do we do? How do we help these dealers get rid of it? And they came out with it and they offered that. Now, what happened to the CB450 K1? Why did it go away? Because the CB750 came out in 1969 and all the 450s started looking like a smaller version of it. This was the last of the side covers. It's incredible. So I love it. So let's take this sucker for a ride.